we're not just there to observe, no, but we are also being encouraged to assist our cooperating teachers or our CPs. During our observation in Silangan Pilot Demonstration School, we've learned a lot of things, we experienced a lot of things in which excite us and help us to be prepared no punuhay for the internship. So punuhay kay kulbaan man ta sa atong mga scores sa exam, no? Anyway, I was being assigned in a grade 1 classroom, and one of the things that struck me was witnessing the burden that my city faced inside the classroom. I saw how she handled not just academic concern but even personal issue of her student. I remember one afternoon, kay afternoon man ang schedule every Tuesday. One afternoon, naisunod na sudyante, tiya ba tayo? Niya nagklase na, sige nag-hapon check tiya ba? So, i-communicate siya sa akong mga cooperating teacher. Ana siya, why are you crying? So, like, English speaking lang sila dito, no? So, ana din siya, teacher, I punched my mother because she didn't give me something that I want. So I was so amazed kay ang ako cooperating teacher. Very amazing jud kaayo siya ko comfort and nakahatag jud nila ang mga words na talagang kinahanglan jud sa mga students. That's when I realized that as an educator or as a teacher, we're not just there to teach lesson from books, no? But we're also there to teach manners, values, and help our students. Our future students, our future students, no? Our future students on how to be a better people, not just a better learners. Another experience po na dili ko na ako malintan is parehan ni Sir Vallejo kaganiha. So I remember one afternoon na po, kaya afternoon lagi ang mga schedule. My city is so busy in preparing for something. So she asked me, ana siya tanang nagsakto-sakto to, pati mga ikot nga, consign dito, consign sa kwan. So, ano siya, yun ang tawag sa akong cooperating teacher na kwan na siya, pwede ka, ikaw sa kuli, nasa kuya si Kason. So, dati mo po kayo sige, mag-try na kayo, intern, mag-kinanap kayo sa tubangan punuhay. Ay, dili, punuhay na naman eh. Okay, sige. So, naakot ka sa tubangan. So, nagkala ko dito, continue na ang quiz there. While ako ba nag-answer, likod ako, ano man si teacher Ani, ako cooperating teacher, di ano sa tubangan likod. So likod sa tubangan, and while I was sitting there is this one student who came to me, and then he said, Teacher Kim, then I replied, yes, how can I help you? And then siya Teacher Kim, di ba we only have 1 moon? Then I replied, yes, we only have 1 moon, why? And then he continued, Teacher Kim, what happened if we have 2 moons? So na siya, that's a very good answer. Okay, that will be your assignment. We have to teacher. Ano naman to? So, nauna na po na, di ba ate kayo? Hangtod niyo. May gani kayo kapag isa ka student, tinawag siya sa Teacher Kim. Please, kay Filipino na ito ang subject mo. Teacher Kim, please translate this to English. Kaya I can't understand man. Ano siya din. Ano din po, okay. Ano nang papumbala na doon? Okay. Later, we are going to talk about that. I will explain everything to you. Ano mo, Burjun, kapal no? I will explain everything to you. So, but let's continue first your quiz in Filipino. So, nakalusot ko gamay. So, magunan ako na kong internet. Pag ko na balik, search tayo ko sa ChatGPT. What happened if we have 2 moons? So, you wanna know what happened if we have 2 moons? Huh? Do you wanna know? Yes. Okay, so you wanna know? So, i-search ko niyo para dagan kung nagkakatakan. Okay, lang siya. So that's when I realized, that's when I learned that as a future teacher, we need to always stay curious. Ano naman? Curious ang mga bata. And to continue sa pagtuon. Because we cannot give what we ourselves don't have. That's why I'm indeed grateful for the FS experience because it opened my eyes, and not just my eyes, but your eyes, our eyes, to see the real role of a teacher, not just inside the classroom, but even outside the classroom. That would be all, and thank you so much.
One of my students asked me, Sir, ano ang itis sa butiki, ito mo puti? Do you know the reason? Do you know the reason? Do you want to know the reason? Okay, serious muna ninyo. Okay? So, thank you so much, Miss Kimberly. Now, let's proceed to the from slide 4.